Hello student, in this video we will discuss about the life process. So life process are the function of the organism to maintain their life. So there are in this chapter number of the process. First one, nutrition, digestion, metabolism. And metabolism is nothing, it is the process of catabolism and anabolism and respiration, excretion and circulation. So first of all we will discuss about the nutrition. So nutrition is the process in which the organism utilize the consume food, and there are the two types of nutrition. First one is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. In this chapter mostly we will discuss about the autotrophic and heterotrophics. Apart from these two, there are the number of the nutrition like symbiotic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, but we will see the definition only about these two. So what is the autotrophic nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition is the nutrition in which the organism make their own food through the process of photosynthesis, and after the formation of the food, this food is stored in the simple permanent tissue, that is parenchyma, in the form of starch. So most of this autotrophic nutrition takes place inside the plant and blue green algae. Then second one is heterotrophic nutrition. In this type of the nutrition, the organism are directly or indirectly dependent on the plant for their nutrition. They cannot make their own food, yes, and the food which is consumed by these organism, which store in the liver, yes, in the form of the glycogen. Then student, we will discuss about the photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is the process by which plant make their own food by the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. So how does photosynthesis takes place? We will see here. So student, for the photosynthesis, the plant are required CO2 and water, and these CO2 and water react in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight and form the glucose, water and oxygen. So you can see this reaction on the screen. And what kind of the event takes place during this process? So first one, the absorption of the sunlight by the chlorophyll. Apart from that, the light energy convert into the chemical energy, and water get split into the hydrogen and the oxygen, and then carbon dioxide get reduced into the carbohydrate, that is glucose, and apart from that the plant absorb the water and minerals through the root. So student, here we will see about the stomata. Stomata are the small pores present in plant leaves, and these stomata play very crucial role in the process of photosynthesis. So how does these stomata open and close? We will discuss here. So stomata mostly open in the case when water is present in the guard cells. So what are guard cells? You can see on the screen. These the rounded shape of the spots are the guard cells. So whenever water is present in these guard cells, so these stomata get open, and this process mostly takes place during the day, yes, and whenever the water get removed from these guard cells, so stomata get closed. So this process mostly you can see during the night, yes, and because of the opening of these stomata, the exchange of the gases takes place, and this is the very important for the process of photosynthesis. Now student, we will discuss about the parasitic nutrition. So what is parasitic nutrition? In this nutrition, organism is dependent on the host organism for their nutrition, and they do not give any kind of benefit to host organism. Next one is the symbiotic nutrition. In this nutrition, two organisms are mutually dependent on each other for the nutrition. Example is E. coli, which is present in digestive system of the human. Then student, we will discuss about the heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition takes place in the human and the many animals. So we will discuss here about the amoeba. So amoeba is the unicellular eukaryotic aquatic organism. Its sap is not specific, and you will see whenever the food particle come near to the amoeba, so it will engulf the food particle through the process of endocytosis. Then food goes into the food vacuole, okay, and then the complex form of food convert into the simple form of food. Then apart from that, what will happen, that simple form of food diffuse into the cytoplasm of the amoeba. Then undigested food would be released by amoeba through the exocytosis process. So this one is the process takes place inside the cell of amoeba. Thank you.